Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, of course, nam today I got like Gagash. Loyi nga ta hi khe hi n'wi link vhele na the twins. So based on the previous video, so before course I ain't done too much. Of course, after Gagash very combination na ma twins, na lo combination ko am shito via then the twins va combination ko am shito chena mchelo Gagash na lo something and stuff like that. So ku last update kahle ako va the twins loko va hleka nyimpi leya Gagash na Giyazi minkarhi ya vudyelo hi la swilo swi swi hela ko kwala hi 21 ta March. However, yeah, of course, I'm taking me against the DM. Of course, don't you stop very or corona event. It 19th April. Lia I Tivanin very so event very go I trend and stuff like that. Yeah. Very operation shona kwala no event you successful vana va humanise xitalo yeah nto yona by far nga va successful event ne I think I to it for latest apart le ma cards am kuma against the machine nga atala manjeni so nga vula tani ku congratulations to Spikos it rich nene ku aza kota ku I feel ndawu leyi va so because I nga atala vana va chava ku ya stadium very timhaka ti mafia lama nga tshama ya humelela hi ti fill up and stuff like that mana mhaka leyi a hi ngeleni ka mhaka ku hlekeni Master T
Gaza mikata the twins ya mrhanza ne.
So throughout the event very ku ri karhi ku fambisa the twins and also Chavi CMC Gagasha nga se fika vele obviously ma vona mhaka leyiwa so ivi ya fika around 2 or 3 a.m.
Amazing, you guys amazing. Are you ready? For Fetu versus Mahuta? Ladies and gentlemen, I call by the name of Bucky Hub, the MC from Pretoria.
Yeah, so we Africa and stuff like that, and then so we take over. Of course, I'm gonna introduce Fetu and Mahuta.
Are you ready for Shabashita?
Swilo swi nga hlamarisanyana ku la ka xebe xi lani hlamarisiwe ku ku nghena ngwenya laniwa ku ri ke a ni nga vonangi yi wela ka ti-MCs va ta makuminyana hi fike hi swi twa ku Gagasha a ha ri kona hi vosi yena la makuminyana la okay okay as a head they got that section okay so leswi nga fika xi ni hlamarisanyana i ku loko se ku nghena beni ma nge ku tlhe ku vuya the twins again ku ri ke ni already a mi kuma ku ri khale va kha va fambisa like mani twiswa ku maybe kumbe xa se ku ta kha ku cincaniwa a ku ri khale nyana va kha va fambisa hi mpfhuka event yi sungulini so hi vo va nga ve va introduce beni mayingani then from there of course va tlhe va introduce J John leswi swi nga fika swi endla confusion yi kulukumba ngopfu swi nga vuya swi kwatisa Gagasha se hi kona hi nghena ka section ya nyimpi vele because a va tlhe va teka over from him ku vekisa ku fe ku MC ya yena ku ri ke ni vona section ya vosa a va MC ya nkarhi wo leha ma vona mhaka leyi so a swi nga ha ri fe sa ku na confusion the twins va ri busy va ku samfira on stage se Gagasha na yese i nghenini I think a hi leswi swi ndlise swona futhi swi tivekini ku sweswi the twins hetini vu MC bya kona a ku ngheni Gagasha I think hi leswi swi nga ndlisa swo kwala ku Gagasha i fike late lava ku ri khale va kha MC so va fika va huma ma hi twisa yana mhaka leyi
Yantina game, we know. You guys amazing, we appreciate it very much. You are nice, like my own nice. See the DJ on the one side, choose the summer baby. Gagashi, we'll get us some free. No, we'll get us some Gagashi, we'll get some free. The instruction in the command center. I got the twins, Gagashi. I'm on a good
eze ta takulala kwala
mo tlakula sina maka mo
esa free station
mo tlakula ke ya sina problem mo tlakula loko mo tlakula
baby
tlakula sina problem
As a man, the song long walk on last stage, so should be unprofessional. It's very, very unprofessional. Leswi nga ndzi swona kwalano ko hleketela leswi mina ni swi vonisaka swona sweswo ko vona va hala ku fambi layini yaliya vona va na yo va va na mhaka liwa swigagashi na yena sava a ngheni na yena tanihileswi mi swi vona kwalano a la ku introduce ku ya hi side ra hi layini ya yena so ku ve na ti-confusion tikulukumba swinene kwalano
Fulela. Z, the DJ. You don't play voice. Voice will be voice. Show.
Asama masileti
Asame Fulela.
Hayi sikukusuka siku ra tikomba na power of course small boys are the twins. I have no time for small boys but kona to be fair afu ku va ku se kha ku MC na gagashi ku ana va MC lavya and they fika around 2 or 3 kwala so aku sala around about 3 or 4 hours ma vona mhaka leswi ni vona ku a swi nga ha ri fair a fika se ku nghena yini ku va MC lava mpfuka event yi sungurile hala kun'wana va kha mixa na chave and stuff like that ma vona mhaka leswi swi fike ku va na a problem in that way ma vona mhaka leyiwa
Sure. Can you feel it? It's almost 6 now. We are closing at 10 in the morning, people. Yeah, I have no time for boys. Boys will be boys. If you want to fight, bring a fight of soft life. I like soft life, me. And rather fight your soft life. If you want to bring it anytime, anytime you want to bring it. Boys will be boys. Small boys will be small boys. Okay. Are you ready for Sign Me Free? Ladies and gentlemen, in the count of 5, 4, or 3, or 2, 1, Sign Me Free on the stage!
Daí ia sanguenza sai mi frega gasta sem shona kwala leswi ro fosse nga vya swilo swi endlisa swona kwala a xi ri xilanyi pya soft life a kona in terms of soft life a xi hundza se xi loku winene na swona le Gucci sweswiya competition cars a va xi ba khale the Gucci but sweswi a xi loko va na muleni ku ri ntisi like sweswa soft life yeah so leswi of course mhaka yi nga xixona hi ta hi khe hi twa to tala vhele ku ndleke yini laha but loko ni langutisini yes gagashi ya fika ndla vo MC loko i fike late swa ku ri his period ku ve na issue a ku nghena mani laha ti nga ha ri ku twanani straight so I guess swa ku maybe the twins a fika va yime tlhelo even then yi resolve that way na stage manager na gagashi not vona va ta holovisa laha hi ku twisisa ka mina swi ni swi vonisaka swona yeah of course hi ta khe nghena ka le ka ri stylist manjeni yeah tani swi mi swi vonaka of course loko se hi ya cheka ka sunguti of course ra ti 20 ta April fika hi kuma ku se Chuza yi na 3 million views as you can see kwala so hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to him a yi tirhile swinene this is the biggest electro song ever loko in terms of audio yeah only back at that way in terms of audio this is the biggest electro song va bini swinene va tirhile swinene so va congratulate va tirhile swinene of course very vocalist a ku ri Jay John so ka na ra yena but is the vocalist he did the most and also Papa Rulana yona voice yona kwalaya ti kha ti complementana kwalani va tirhile swinene nga vula tani ku congratulations to them track yikulu in 5 months already va ri ka 3 million va tirhile swinene this is the biggest electro song ever eka nkarhi wa sweswi yeah and then of course hi vheta hi tlhe hi hetelela hi xa makhombo yeah okay kambe loyi hi n'wi landza ka trending hi pfa hi rivala yena a hi n'wi landzeni ka trending as you can see siku ti 20 ta April nkarhi 9:57 as you can see hi na lava hi le ku scrolleni yeah hi na lavaya Okay. As you can see, boom, wazange hlala kunguva hinkuma la. Yeah, so as you can see kwalano, se ile ka number 17 ka trending. Ile ka 17 ka trending. So na ya ngozela ro sungula ri trenda this week on YouTube. Ku ri audio, of course, ngaro music video. The crazy part even our biggest electoral in shows I shouldn't lang so my it's crazy na lo push it alishim shona kwalano in just in an 9 days already like 180,000 views. Lesson karam lashon go if a bit 10,000 views. Elo push in shinan to ra 162 mos. I got 162. I'm not push even more. I got 162 man. Look at the main game this way. I don't push more than 10k as you can see. So I'm going to congratulations to him. Oh, show go road some rara good Friday. So look at guys subscribe and comment and click subscribe.
Akana beko dudu kwe. Ngo adza be. Akana beko dudu kwe.